Gastech Field Service is the most convenient and efficient way to ensure your entire fleet of gas detectors just work. Once you've booked your service with us, you don't have to think about it, it just gets done. Our team of highly experienced technicians will travel to you, whether you're around the corner or around the globe, just about anywhere. We service all makes and models of fixed and portable gas detectors on site. Even mixed systems can be professionally serviced by Gastech. And when it absolutely has to be fixed now, our emergency call-out service will save the day, just in time. This service is designed to support the efficient management and maintenance of your gas detection systems. It just makes it easy for you. You can even set up automatic calibration reminders so you are confident that your gas detectors are always compliant. With reduced downtime and risk to your people, can you afford not to take advantage of the convenience and confidence provided by our professional field maintenance service? Go to gastech.com to book your service now.